Leaving Penang halfway through, we got into some severe rain and storm. We managed to ride through it. Getting into Kota Bharu, we had to face some severe traffic, a little bit of flood. But the ride between Penang and Kota Bharu, it was some breathtaking view, beautiful view, greenery. Love the ride. Managed to get an Airbnb 3-bedroom apartment at Kota Bharu. Decent place for 350 ringgit for one night. Actually, when we arrived last night, we were so extremely tired. We just couldn't record anything, checking in or the dinner where we had, but had a great time. So I had to redo it again because I didn't press the button. So
This is the room.
so this is the apartment we all stayed, and these two guys are here. We're just waking up, and toilet, of course. Oh, nice view.
Oh, nice view. This is the room we stayed. Oh, nice view. I think it's obvious.
All those will be edited.
This is the toilet.
No, whoever wants to rent this place.
Marketing this place.
Yeah, I'm just showing around. Second room. Nice view too again. A little bit of stretching before we leave. Today we'll be leaving Kota Bharu towards Pahang. Boys, let's go. Time up for the second ride. Today, third day ride today from Kota Bharu to Pahang. Hopefully it'll be a safe ride again. See you down the road.
Hey, please subscribe, like. Please subscribe, like, comment on Ray and Gang video.
I will post it over here.
Over here.
Yeah. Let's go.
It's called Ray and Gang.
Wow, honey.
You should bring this water now. Yeah.
Careful. Absolutely.
You have this?
Sorry.
You have this? Yeah. This is a heavily covered.
Capture the moment. Let's go.
Let's capture the moment. Slow motion moment. Slow.
Oh, you've taken everything away. There's nothing. the city of Kota Bharu in the morning.
You just. Huh? नहीं अपनी.
Hey, this is a nice viewpoint. We should take a picture.
Nice view, look.
Yeah, the manuscript is Arabic, nothing else. I get one.
Yeah, we didn't leave anything at back, ne? Yeah.
Everything is there?
Yeah.
This is like winning the lottery.
Our first stop after we started from Kota Bharu, just a coffee break. Fill up again as 883s need more stop, and then. Where are we?
In Malaysia.
May
Wait. Hala.
Oh, hi. We're in between. We left Kota Bharu, right?
Yes.
Morning 7:30. On the way, we had a small puncture lookalike, but it wasn't a puncture, and Jiti didn't know how to close the fuel tank. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, this is Jitin. Ladies and gentlemen, he didn't know how to close the fuel tank, so I had to close it for him.
He was gonna get
That
some
was the
tape.
emergency we had today, but after that it was okay.
What an emergency, right?
Finally, Sharon parked the bike other way.
There is a sporty here.
Cooking is funny,
Sarda the hardware shop. The supermarket is on the other side. Oh, looking for a water bottle for a ride.
No. For fish while flying.
Insulated. Get the insulated one.
This one. Yeah.
See, is it insulated? That's not insulated.
So you think these bottles are good, Kaka?
Yeah, there is a description and review. Google.com, you may do it.
Subscribe, like, comment.
Yeah. Here I will post it. How can I put all that? Hello, bro.
Harga ini macam masing.
5 ringgit. Some almonds, salted almonds.
That's good for memory.
It tastes just like every other salted almond.
Bro, Porla.
Yeah, me too. New Zealand. Yesterday was a good drive. Huh?
That was really nice. I loved it. This is only here in Indonesia, this region. And the sea, you know, only one. Your ass is on fire, isn't it, Mr. Pereira? Getting into Terengganu city, and this is the Chinatown. Like Italian. Wait a minute. They were shop over there. 이거 더 많이 내는 거네. va. Five. Five. Okay. They're looking good. Huh? What is that?
This is Yama. Tell me, apple kiwi.
Oh, how does it taste?
Yama, tell me.
Atau?
Semua 19,
Oh, ini di sini berapa? 10. Oke.
16.
Ya, nggak apa-apa. Ya udah.
Bukan, tak nak cukup.
19.
19.
Oh, 19. Okay,
1980.
Maaf.
Plus this one.
Ini kayak ketukar loh.
Ya udah. 19 for all the drinks.
Ya, drinks 1480.
Yeah. No, just this is for vlogging.
Itu perut. Oh, I thought this is
Had a quick small lunch and then we continued out of Terengganu to Pahang and started raining again. We were prepared. Was not bad. Only rained for about a half an hour and then we were out of rain.